Alright, so in today's video, we're going to check out ColorBooks AI, a brand new tool that just launched yesterday inside all your class. Now, this tool is actually pretty interesting. It's designed to create coloring pages instantly. You can either upload an image and turn it into a coloring base, or simply type a text prompt and it will generate one for you automatically. So in this video, I will show you exactly how it works step by step. We will test everything and see how good the results actually are. So before we jump into the demo, let's first understand what this tool can really do and how you can use it to create your own coloring books. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, with ColorBooks AI, you can turn any image into a coloring page or generate one just by typing a text prompt, right? But that's not all. You can even type a single text prompt and let the AI create a complete coloring book automatically. And here is something even cooler. If you already have a coloring book, you can upload it right here and instantly convert it into a 3D flipbook. Oh, and one more thing, inside the platform, you also get access to a massive library of over 25,000 ready-made coloring books. You can browse through them, download any design you like, and even sell them as your own. Pretty awesome, right? So now let's jump into the live demo and see all these features in action, and most importantly, check how good the coloring page quality really is. And yes, if you like this tool or if you are interested in getting it for yourself, you will find the link right below this video. You can click that to check out ColorBooks AI and try it on your own. Also, if you decide to purchase through my link, I have got something special for you. Exclusive bonuses from my side. You will get access to some amazing software tools, premium courses, and a few extra resources. If you want to see exactly what bonuses you will receive, I have created a detailed bonus page. Make sure to check it out. I will leave that link below as well. Alright, then let's move on and see this tool in action. So this is the main dashboard of ColorBooks AI, and as you can see, it's super clean and easy to navigate, right? And up here you will find your profile details, password settings, and quick links to tutorials and bonuses. Everything is nicely organized. On the left hand side, you can see all the features I mentioned earlier. Everything from image to coloring page, text to coloring page, full book reader, and more, right? So let's start with the first one, image to coloring page. Here all you need to do is simply upload an image and this tool will automatically convert it into a beautiful coloring page. Alright, so first let's upload an image and click on generate now. Well, it says sit back and relax, our AI is working for you. Nice, so let's wait a few seconds and see what it comes up with. Oh wow, just look at that. The result looks incredible. The AI has turned the image into such a clean and detailed coloring page, right? It honestly looks professional. You can also download and save it directly to your computer from here. And what do you think about this result? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I personally think it looks amazing. And that's how easily you can turn any image into a high quality coloring page in just a few seconds using ColorBooks AI, okay? Alright, now let's move on to the next feature, text to coloring page. Here all we have to do is enter a text prompt and the AI will generate a coloring page based on that description, okay? So let's give it a type. I will type something like a girl photo coloring image type. Below that, you will notice an option to select the difficulty level. This basically tells the AI for what age group you want the coloring page to be designed, okay? You can choose this based on your preference. Once everything is set, let's hit generate now. And there we go. Look at that. The result looks really good. The quality is actually quite high. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's move on to the next feature, generate coloring book. Here you just need to enter a text prompt and the AI will create an entire coloring book for you. Now just to be clear, it doesn't generate a 100 or 300 page book, nothing that huge. As you can see here, it gives you two options. You can create either a 5-page book or a 10-page book. Honestly, I wish they had include more options. At least 30 pages would have been great for a proper book, right? But anyway, it is what it is. My job is to show you everything honestly, so here we are. Let's go ahead and test it. I will enter a prompt like generate an image book of a cat coloring book type. Select the number of pages, choose the age group, and then click on generate now. Let's see what kind of results we get this time. Alright, so here you can see it has generated 5 coloring pages. Let's click on Save Book, and here is our book. Now let's download it. Look at this, it has automatically combined the 5 pages into a single book. Not bad at all, right? The quality looks really good. But honestly, the one thing I didn't like is that you can't create a book with more than 10 pages directly within the tool. That's a bit limiting. Now, that's not a huge problem because there is a workaround. You can create individual coloring pages, download them, and then use a tool like Canva to combine them into a multi-page book, 50 pages, 100 pages, whatever you want, right? Or you can even use Google Docs to combine multiple coloring pages and save them as a PDF. So there are plenty of ways to make a full-length coloring book even if the built-in option is limited. But yes, having a multi-page book option built directly in the tool would definitely have been a great addition. Alright, so now let's move on to the book to flipbook feature. Basically, this allows you to convert any book into a flipbook. For example, if you just created a coloring book, you can turn it into a flipbook here. Or if you already have an existing book in PDF format, you can convert that into a flipbook as well. So first, click on Create Flipbook. You will see two options, Flipbook via images and Flipbook via PDF. We will choose Flipbook via PDF. Next, you need to enter a name for your flipbook and upload your PDF file. Once that's done, just click Submit. And look at this, it instantly converted our PDF into a flipbook. Let's open it and take a look. See how smooth it looks. Not bad at all. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, there is a library of over 25,000 done for you coloring books available right here. Check it out. You can download any of these books and use them however you want, customize them, or even sell them if you like. So that was the complete tutorial. I hope by now you have a clear idea of all the features and functions of ColorBooks AI. In my opinion, it produces really high quality coloring pages and books, and what's even better is how fast it is. Whether it's converting an image or generating a coloring page from text, it does it in just a few seconds, right? And again, if you are interested in purchasing this tool or just want to try out it yourself, you will find the link below this video. You can get it from there along with all the exclusive bonuses I mentioned. And if you want to see more review videos like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I regularly upload videos about amazing tools, apps and tutorials just like this.